Really quick side note here. A lot of times, what I like to do is basically create or pre-fill information inside of the description with rich text field. The problem is when you try to pre-fill information, the formatting doesn't always come over very well or correctly. So, a quick hack I've actually found in what we do inside of our Jira content creation board, I'll show you exactly what we do. So, instead of giving the work item a default value, what we do is we actually just create an automation that duplicates the work item when we create it. This sounds super weird. I will show you exactly what I mean and why this works so much better. So here's the add template. Here's the add template automation. What we're doing is we're taking any work item that's created, and as long as it's long form content, we're storing a couple of values about it, like the summary and description, because we want to paste that in just in case we want to retain that. And then we're branching it, and then all we're doing is cloning the work item with a specific template, and then we're deleting the original one. So what this looks like in practice, I'll show you. We go to create, and I'll call this test template item, and I'll click enter. And you'll see this gives us a CC 1036. So that's our original work item. And as you just saw, it actually just got deleted. So, and then we get CC 1037. So I actually deleted the original, recreated the new one using the automation. And in here, we have our fully formatted description. Again, the reason we do this is that when unfortunately we run an automation or add pre-filled values in here, the tables don't quite come over correctly. The checklist items don't get populated. There's a lot of things that it just doesn't quite do the way we would want it to. So this has been my alternative to actually getting templates to work inside of descriptions in the most robust way possible. Real quick, I know this looks like a lot. And if you'd rather just have me and my team help implement exactly what I'm showing you in this video, that is exactly what we do. If you're interested, hit the first link in the description below.